As you know, I'm working on the project Cleaning Environment, and I have some questions for you.
Let's start.
How concerned are you about environmental pollution?
I am concerned about the rate of environmental pollution because, in my opinion, it's harming our health and also the air.
Should our governmental laws restricting pollution more strict, less strict, or as strict as they are now?
I think that the pollution control laws should be ever stricter because nowadays people don't follow properly established laws.
When people get involved in trying to solve environmental problems, how often do you think makes things better?
I reckon that their thinking improves because in the process of thinking they may find a way to solve the problem.
What causes environmental pollution?
Nowadays, environmental pollution is caused by increasing human needs. In recent decades, manufacturers and enterprises have appeared which are important for people but at the same time harmful to the environment.
Who pollutes the environment?
I think the environment is mostly polluted by people.
Why do you think people waste and throw away plastic bottles?
Because first of all, some of them don't have culture and self-awareness, and secondly, there are very few waste processing plants in the country.
Thanks for your time.
You're welcome.
Hello everyone, as you know we are working on a project Clean Environment and we have got some questions to you. Mimi, how concerned are you about environmental pollution?
I'm very concerned about environmental pollution because the environment plays an important role in our lives.
Anna, should our government laws restricting pollution more strict, less strict, or as strict as they are now?
Personally, I think that our government laws should be more strict because the current laws cannot protect the environment properly.
Mimi, when people get involved in trying to solve environmental problems, how often do you think make things better?
When people get involved in trying to solve the environment, they exchange ideas and become progressive thinking.
Anna, what causes environmental pollution? Person factors are biggest enemies of the environment. Anna, who pollutes the environment?
People pollute the environment by their daily activities.
Anna, why do you think people waste and throw away plastic bottles?
In my opinion, I think people throw away plastic bottles because they haven't realized the importance of environment.
Anna, in your opinion, what should we do to completely cleanse the environment?
In my opinion, the use of factory should be stopped at least 1 month. Also, the use of machine except for exception.
Mimi, why is cleanliness important?
Cleanliness keeps it fresh and good looking for our surroundings.
And what are the effects of dirty environment?
Environmental pollution can cause health problems like respiratory disease, heart disease, and some types of cancer.
I am grateful for interviewing with you today. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello everyone, I am glad to see you all today. Today we are working on the project to clean environment and I want to ask you some questions. May I ask you?
Yes, of course.
Okay, first question. How concerned are you about environmental pollution?
Trust me, I'm very concerned.
And why are you?
Because our behavior,
Yes.
our irresponsibility
Yes.
can cause big damage not for only us people. It can also damage some species of animals and plants. So our ecosystem will be destroyed.
Okay, thanks. Next question. Should our government laws restricting pollution more strict, less strict, or as strict as they are now?
The laws that are connected to polluting our environments are not strict. So people are polluting our environment without thinking what their irresponsibility can do with our ecosystem.
Thanks for answering me. Sir George, next question. When people get involved into trying to solve environmental problems, how often do you think makes things better?
You know, I think that it will be much better for them because when they do something like this, they will improve their knowledge about the environment,
Yes.
how dangerous it is to have not clean environment, polluted environment. And I think if they have knowledge, they will also give this information to other people. And I think this will help us to protect our environment.
Thanks. Next question. What causes environmental pollution?
The main reason is our irresponsibility. Because of our irresponsibility, we have big problems and our world have big problems too. And because of our irresponsibility, our next generation will have a big problems too.
Thanks. Next question. Serious Sosiko. Who pollutes the environment?
Only creatures that are polluting our environment are us, people. We are creating factories, cars, with smokes are destroying our environment. It is causing big damage to our environment, so it is very bad. If we want to make our life better, we need to change.
Thanks. And the last question. Sir George, what do you think people waste and throw away plastic bottles?
I think there are some reasons, but I will tell you two of them. First of all, when kids throw the plastic bottles,
Yeah.
I think they don't realize how bad it is for our nature, for
Yes.
our environment, and that's why, because of their less knowledge, they damage our nature. And second reason is that people who are not young, they polluted our environment because they don't care about it. They are not interested in it.
Yes.
They think that if they throw one bottle, it will not change a lot. And I think that because of this, but sometimes because of this one bottle that we throw and don't care about it, it causes big problems. And because of this bottle, maybe our next generation will have a big problems in the future.
That's all. Thanks for answering me and goodbye.
No, thank you. Thank you.
Not at all.
You are good at it.
As you know, I'm working on project Clean Environment, so I want to ask some questions about polluting environment.
Okay, let's start.
How concerned are you about environmental pollution?
I am so concerned about it because people are polluting the environment where they live and where the next generation will live.
Should our government laws restricting pollution more strict, less strict or strict they are now?
So our government have some laws about polluting the environment, but to be honest, it is not strict enough. So government should pay more attention to it.
When people get involved in trying to solve environmental problems, how often do you think makes things better?
I think it's good when people get involved in groups which trying to make environment clean. But many people should be interested in cleaning environment.
What causes environmental pollution?
Environmental pollution caused by many things. But mostly I would say factories and cars are main reason why our environment are polluting that much.
Who pollutes the environment?
The environment are polluted by people who don't understand what can be caused by polluting environment.
Why do you think people waste and throw away plastic bottles?
I think for people, plastic bottles is useless, but they shouldn't just throw it in the environment because there are special trash cans for it.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you.